Do you help your father at home? Do you help your father at home? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you take care of your pets? Do you take care of your pets? Yes, I feed my cat every day. Yes, I feed my cat every day. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. Yes, I love animals. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. What's your cat's name? What's your cat's name? Her name is Bella. Her name is Bella. Do you walk your dog? Do you walk your dog? No, I don't have a dog. No, I don't have a dog. Do you like birds? Do you like birds? Yes, they are beautiful. Yes, they are beautiful. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I get up at 6. I get up at 6. Can you swim? Can you swim? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? I like football. I like football. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? I like bananas. I like bananas. Do you like to read? Do you like to read? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink? I like juice. I like juice. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. Do you like your teacher? Do you like your teacher? Yes, he is nice. Yes, he is nice. What day is it today? What day is it today? It is Monday. It is Monday. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny today. It's sunny today. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to the park. I am going to the park. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. What are you eating? What are you eating? I am eating rice. I am eating rice. What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10. I sleep at 10. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 5. I wake up at 5. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? I am studying English. I am studying English. What's in your bag? What's in your bag? Books and pencils. Books and pencils. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am very happy. Yes, I am very happy. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I want to eat noodles. I want to eat noodles. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Yes, I love animals. Yes, I love animals. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog.